Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I am going to show you how to set a specific page to open automatically when you launch the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile phone. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Inside the Settings page, look for the section called General. After that, tap on Show on App Launch. Next, choose the option called Specific Page. Then, type the website you want to open automatically, such as google.com. You should now see your chosen website open every time you launch the app. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.